Why should people believe that this excise policy really has something amiss?
Navika, I expect you to give me enough time because what you have leveled today are absolutely serious allegations. And let me today declare that what by showing this kind of a biased analysis, Times Now has revealed that it stands for absolutely shoddy and without journalism and without any research. And I'll tell you why. Allow me to say this, because you are very well aware, Navika, that there are two kinds of excise policy regimes. One where you collect the entire tax in advance, and second where you collect the tax after the sale of the bottle. What you are doing is a completely biased analysis. You are comparing the old policy regime where entire money was collected after the sale of the bottle versus the new regime where 10x nahi, 150x revenue got collected in advance as license fees. So an average liquor vend, which earlier was being doled out by the earlier governments for as little as 8 lakh rupees per vend, went up to an average of 8 crore, in many cases even 25 crore per vend was the bidding amount. And that is the reason that in the new excise policy, you can try and confuse your viewers कि पैसा पहले इतना मिलता था, अब इतना मिलता है. Net, earlier Delhi government used to get 6,000 crores out of excise policy. Under the new regime, it was supposed to get 9,500 crores. तो 1000 बॉटल की सेल पे अगर दिल्ली सरकार को पहले 1000 रुपए मिलते थे तो 1500 रुपए मिलने वाले थे. And I am just absolutely shocked and amazed with this kind of a biased analysis that you're doing. And you talked about the fact that Delhi government wanted to bring down the age of liquor consumption to 21 years. But you never bothered to mention that all the BJP states, without exception, have their, the age of consumption as 21 years. Some places like Goa have it even as 18 years. So very conveniently, it seems, Navika, in this show today, and I'm very sorry to say this, I respect your journalism, but you are doing nothing but furthering BJP's propaganda, which is giving very one-sided view without giving your viewers the exact numbers or exact facts and figures of how Delhi policy regime compares with BJP states.